Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Savita Bhatt, consultant ophthalmologist working at Chellaram Hospital, Bowdhan, Pune. Today I'll be talking to you about computer vision syndrome. All of us or most of us use computers throughout the day. That is where we are stuck most of the day other than eating and sleeping. So computers can produce a disease called computer vision syndrome, which is nothing but increased dryness, eye fatigue and eye muscle tiredness. What is computer vision syndrome? It is because of prolonged usage of computer, the eye becomes tired. How do we manage or prevent it? So one classic example is when we require to rest the eye, give it timely rest. The popular note is 20-20-20 rule, wherein after every 20 minutes of work, it is recommended that one looks out of the window from your office or from your work if you are working at home and takes a 20-second break. This relaxes the muscles inside the eye, it elongates the lens, relaxes the ciliary muscles and gives the eye a kind of relaxation to the muscle which helps the eye recover from the fatigue. This needs to be done very often, but a person cannot take a break every 20 minutes. You could do it after 2 to 3 hours of work and take a 5-minute break instead. This will help bring down the eye pain, discomfort, etc. The second issue is when you use computers for a very long time, you tend to stare at the screen, thinking that you'll finish up the work very fast, but it doesn't happen over the day. The work goes on, taking 10 to 12 hours every day. You need to bring more of the blink rate. The blink rate is normally in a human eye 10 to 15 times per minute. It tends to reduce when you use prolonged computer or any gadget for that example. So the eye is more prone to dryness. So for dryness management, we have lubricants which are available over the counter as well as prescribed by the ophthalmologist. Last but not the least, one needs to go for an eye checkup annually. It is included in many of the corporate health checkups. Eyes are examined, and if you have any eye glass powers, you need to wear them, don them on all through the day if you're using gadgets or computers or even your mobile for that matter. So 3 basic things is the 20-20-20 rule. You take a break after a couple of hours of computer usage. 3, use of lubricants, increase your blink rate. 3rd, get an annual eye checkup done. So do remember, get your eye tested annually for want of glasses, do use lubricants and do take a break frequently while you work on computers. If you have any queries to ask about glaucoma, you could ask in the comment box. Thank you so much.